My name is Mandela Obaseki. I'm the SSA to the Governor, Special Duties and Social Enterprise. You know, a lot of people focus on the number and not focusing on the process and the result we want to provide. 200,000 jobs not big. Now many governments, they use different methods to achieve this purpose, whether getting jobs directly or indirectly. From here now, as you see, as they train these people, when they finish from here, they're not going to go sit down for house. They're going to need to use the skill and the attitude, and not be only this training will they give. Once they finish from here, they go open their own job, their own shop, employ people, make people come work for them. One person who you don't train for here, if you benefit 10 people, because if the person carry within the teacher for here, with some kind of other services where government they provide in terms of employability skill, access to finance and all those other things, that person fee employ 10 people. So if now they count the job, this administration don't create jobs, both direct and indirectly. So people need to open their eyes and focus on waiting they happen, and make people not they focus on whether now 200,000 or now 100,000. Some people they talk, some people don't key in, they don't graduate, and you still there as they talk, say this government, what is this government? Now some people go they enter, they come out, they graduate, while you still they talk. So for me, my advice now say this is a laudable initiative between government and private sector to empower Edo people.
My name na Olani Yomole, and I work with EdoJobs. This initiative will be just conclude here, where they do their graduation today. The drive we make us say make we partner with slots. We notice say our youth for Edo State, our youth for this state, they like technology. Even though some they use them for negative things, but we won't see how they go take harness that skill we they like for technology into positive things. That's why we say, what if we do to gather all these youths where they for this state, where we say they go do something with their hand, where relate to technology. Since Innovation Hub Day, Edo Innovates Day, and is set up purposely for technology, we say, okay, make we partner with slots. Make we train these people on DSM and laptop repairs. So when they finish, we go divide the class into two. Some go collect startup kits, the machine where they take repair phone. The rest, they will go work for slot shop, learn phone business. At least with that, anybody will get interest for technology in line with telecommunication, go fit get something to do. Whether you dey repair phone, wey be the hardware, or you want go the soft part of the business, wey be to the cell phones, at least you don't learn phone business and you fit start up your own. Now the thing wey cause the whole program be this, wey drive EdoJobs say this initiative must hold, and we thank God say the thing don't end today. And the people will go resume for slot shop, they don't give them their letter telling them, say, now this day you go start your own internship. We'll be saying no fee be less than 3 months internship. Take learn phone business for their shop. The people will get startup kit, they don't know, say, I don't get them. Now to go start to tell my friend, I feel repair phone, no, I get the machine, the gadget to take the repair phone. And with that, Edo State will be a better place to be for our youth. Thank you.
My name is Smart Osagede. I mean, be slot representative for Edo State. Slot na very good man. For in mind, he thinks he feels as they do business for Edo State, he go make give back to the people where they patronize and they buy things for them. I say okay, to encourage youth, make them they waka about for street. He can't say make him come train them how to repair phones and laptops, so that they know they do go waka about for street, they do anything anyhow. You know, they say the one time go Libya, through road, all those things. You also make sure that they work on their own, they get money for their own pocket, they will spend. That make them do them.
My name is Badamashi Shegun, and I'll be one of the beneficiaries for the slot academy and EdoJobs. So I did happy for the certificate what they give me today. You know, there is a saying that don't give them fish, but teach them how to catch fish. You know, I want to thank God for the life of the governor, His Excellency, Governor, Governor Baseki, for what he do for us today. My mind is full of joy. I know now I want to happy for them to teach us on how to repair phone and laptop. As you can see, I don't repair many phones and I just today happy, say I dey repair phone. Kudos to His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki. God will bless. And I want to thank every one of us who will be say partake on this for this training. I want to thank them so much. I want to thank our Gakwatakpata, Mr. Collins, you know, the way they teach us, the way they take us as the children. He tell us what to be life. And through this platform, I don't see many people. I don't see, you know, one-on-one. I don't see the vice president. I don't see the governor. I don't talk with many people. They don't educate me. Yes, I don't happy. God will bless them and God will bless Napu in Jesus' name. Thank you very much.
My name is Fred Noel Nelson. First of all, I want to say I thank God Almighty for this very great opportunity He give us. And I want to say I'm very proud to be part of the beneficiary for this program where the state government bring come for the unemployed youth in Edo State. And I want to thank God Almighty also for the people we in partner with, which is a Slots Foundation. So I have really been a very, very, very great, resourceful personality in this occasion. I thank God Almighty because I don't learn a lot for this program. For the 3 months we don't do this program, so everything where I don't learn, I can now both say I feel person phone and a laptop, and I'm so very, very happy for this training with government set up. So.
My name is Lucky Tobori, where I've never expected such a thing to take place for here, because if our person from Delta State have the opportunity to do all this one, I'm not sure say many youth go there outside, you understand? So it surprised me, say Edo State governor bring out this program to bring youth out of the street. It's a wonderful thing. If other states keep doing all this one, I should say crime outside could reduce, because of things we know the happen, no engagement to the youth. That's why so many crimes and other things happen. But if other states carry on with this process, I should say crime rate for this country will reduce. As for me, the work when I do, they give me anything, and they look for this opportunity to be a skilled person. You understand? So this governor now give me the opportunity to have this skill. So it's a wonderful thing. You understand? I know how much I would pay for outside to get this skill, but I just get it a platter of goods. You understand? So I'll always make use of it. I'm not going to commonize that because it's not free. Because I don't look for this opportunity ever since. I don't know if they get that, but as I get them, I have to grab it and hold it tight.
Thank you. My name is Frederick Best, and the team be saying, of a truth, they don't give us this starter pack. And now today we actually graduate from this slots / Edo job on phone and laptop prepare. And the team say, my belly, I happy well. Now, this starter pack where they give me, so now for me to start my own, on my own phone repair and laptop repair also, to be an engineer of my own, which they don't already teach me to be. But what I want to tell my people be say, everything not possible when you not put your efforts. Now when you put your efforts, now everything is possible. So I just pray everybody just put effort for these things. You go see the possible like that.
My name is Miriam Odia. From the very beginning, I the person went like phones, mobile phones and technical work. So when I see this opportunity, before now, I try to open my phones to make repairs and all that. When this opportunity comes, I say, why not? Let me go for it. And besides, the makeup stuff, I still sabi am. This is something, this one I'm waiting I never do before. Now opportunity when I get to take do them, I take the opportunity. And I dare happy say I really take the opportunity. We all know say employment they hard. But we not go sit down they wait, may employment come meet us. We go rather make use of the time and opportunity when we get. May more to employ ourselves and so that we'll feel employ other people. I encourage other people, when this opportunity come out again, make them take them. Make them not wait, make person tell them. Make them take them. They will benefit greatly from them.